What if you could rewind time? Would we rewrite history or repeat it? Picture the 1920s in Europe: chaos, despair, and hope on the brink. Hope poured into the promises of charismatic leadersmen who claimed they could save you, spoke of a new Roman Emperor Mussolini. But what was the cost of believing? Hitler promised to make Germany great again. But what was hidden beneath those grand words? Desperate and broken, the people believed them. And then catastrophe struck. War, genocide, and dictatorship became the new normal. One man became a god, and dissent was punished harshly. Silence was survival. In these dark times, questions became crimes. But did anyone really learn? History often shows us a mirror reflecting the same mistakes time and again. When faced with uncertainty, do we reach for courage or surrender to fear?